Genius at work.
Okay.
Christopher's prettier. Get out of the way.
Huh? There's Raylan.
Baby car. Stupid biatch.
There's a baby car. Wow.
Look at him, tourist. Taking them pictures.
New mainlanders.
Nigga. Shit. Well, that's where Newfoundland Fantasy 2 is being filmed over there.
Oh, there's the swing.
You want to go to the swings on Bard Island?
How do we get over there?
How do we go over there?
Yeah.
That's Locker's Point. We're on Bard Island.
Oh.
We'll walk all
Fucking
the way
idiot.
up there and then back down.
Walk all the way. Yeah.
Where's my house at? Can't see it from here.
I used to do it first. Yeah.
Look at that nigga. Hey Chris! Where you to? There you are. I'm gonna fall down. It's slippery.
It is.
Jill, walk from there, look. Is it deep or something? What? Like, is it like this? No.
3 minutes left of footage.
I like walking down steps.
I do too!
Congratulations, we're all on the same page. Same step.
Whoa. I need a picture of this right here. That's beautiful right here.
I guess.
No, really?
What? Oh, okay, I get it now. Oh, that's a good picture there, huh?
So, dude.
A saw. A dude.
Man.
Look at an iceberg.
Look at an iceberg over there!
Look at an iceberg.
Where at though? Oh, there it is.
Look at an iceberg.
Crazy.
Your phone.
Stupid.
What the fuck was that?
That's a butterfly!
Scary.
It's almost ran out of room.
Boys, this thing is really broken. I don't know how to work it.
Nigga, look at that! Sunshine! Turn around! Yeah. Aw, he's some hippie is.
Oh!
Aw.